What's up, Foxes? It's your girl Tiara, and let's just go ahead and get into this, we'll say maybe 10-minute beauty routine. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I did a everyday face, because I normally don't do anything other than an everyday face. Alright, so I've already cleaned my face. I use my Salt XO Citrus Facial Cleansing Bar. And what we're gonna do first is get into this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Matte Primer. And I got this from, I want to say Ulta, and I have very oily skin, and this primer is very, very matte, to the point where when you put it on, you can tell that it's mattifying your T-zone. So I'm just gonna put this here where I get oily. Yeah, my skin accumulates a lot of oil under my makeup, and this right here is bomb, sis. Like, I'm gonna do another layer just in case, so we can be mattified, sis. We're gonna be mattified. Cause don't you just hate when you have a good makeup day, but then it's ruined by oil, excuse me, oily skin. Alright, so next I will be using the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 450. This is 450, and this is really good. Like, I've never used a foundation as good as Fenty. It's very seamless. It's a true match for my skin tone. I always get compliments on it. So, taking a beauty blender, and I'm gonna do 2 pumps of this Fenty foundation. And I'm gonna put all of the products that I'm using in the description box. So no worries, girls. And like I said, it's very buildable. So if you want a full coverage look, then you can always add more. And then if you want a very subtle light face, you can get away with 1 or 2 pumps depending on how you blend. But I'm making sure that I blend into my neck, my ears, around my lips, and between my nose. And after you put that NYX primer on, you will see like a white residue on your face, and that's okay, because of course you're gonna cover that up with foundation. So I'm probably going to add another layer of foundation just to give it more coverage, just give my face more coverage. But yeah, Fenty Beauty is everything. I definitely like how she was able to diversify her shades of foundation, because like I said, it's hard to find a true match. And for dark skinned women, it's always either too light, too dark, too ashy. Like, sis, thank you, Riri. So I'm gonna take the shade Fawn, and we're gonna highlight under the eyes.